Gotcha. Want to make a quick video for everyone who's interested in flatbed. I would definitely recommend that you get extra spare tires, maybe a steer and drive, light bulbs, fuses, you know the norm. But these things will keep you rolling. Remember that oil change? So we're getting that done too. It wasn't to my standard. But definitely just maintain your vehicle because it's gonna maintain the income of our revenue, our income, either or. But I'll continuously make these. I also want to take the time to thank all 17 subscribers. You guys are the real true vets. Peace.